Okay, welcome everyone. Here I am, the untrained amateur. You can call me Daniel. Doing a few more maintenance upgrades and fixes, repairs to my new-to-me FJ Cruiser. I noticed my antenna base was broken and missing, so picked one of those up off Amazon, like 10 bucks. And also gonna upgrade the interior lights. Got going to the LED versions of them. Picked that, I think, $18.99, something like that. I picked them up. It's supposed to be an easy plug and play, drop it right in and get going with it. Haven't actually looked at them yet. I've seen the picture, but yeah, I recognize the connection from way back when. Last time I did an interior light, not on this one. Take the connector out. It looks like it's just gonna plug right in to the existing terminal, and of course got all the LEDs. So pop you over here and show you. Well, I'll turn off the lights, then I'll pop you over there and show you what I'm dealing with as current interior so I can get a good before and after. So, right back with that. Okay, we got a little ambient light from outside, but I think it'll still demonstrate these pretty dim old incandescent lights. Got two of them, and they're, especially by modern standards, don't provide much light on the interior. So I'm gonna swap those out, and of course get that antenna base I showed you going. So should be a fairly quick video. Let's hop in there and get going on that. I think this should be, I'm hoping it's pretty straightforward to snap it in place and move on to the next thing. Trying to find the seam on our baggie here. I'm sure this is not genuine Toyota parts, but they're aftermarket. Okay, it's rubber, not plastic, so that's sort of, and hopefully just drop it right in and line it up with the body panel. And there we go. Pretty much about as easy a fix as I've ever done on a vehicle. Pretty good match on the seam all the way around. Yeah, so yeah, that didn't take long. So hop inside and change those bulbs. Okay, got my handy dandy trim piece removal tool, and hopefully I'm just gonna be able to knock you all over the place. Pop this guy out. Got the notches there. There it goes. Okay, I got handy dandy, very cheap trim piece removal tool. Not too deep. Let's get in here. Yeah. I don't know if that's a diffuser or if that's, okay. That came out with it. I'm not sure where it came from. So let's get our old bulb out. Maybe. Okay, I'll just go off the sides, yeah. I should remember this stuff better. Still hot, but it didn't burn me. I need to, still trying to figure out where this came from. Take a break and see where this came from. I'll be right back. Okay, I found it. It goes in here. Sort of a cover because there's matching one over there. Now, for our LED installation, get it oriented right. Should just be our popping it. It said it fit. Okay. There it goes, I think. Oop. And quick test on it. Yep. Lights up. All our cover. And all the way in. And we'll do the front. One of the suggestions I heard online was you can take the end of a small flathead and wrap the end with tape to protect the plastic, and if you don't have a removal tool handy, so That's what I'm doing on this one because how cheap my real plastic trim removal piece was. Get that eased out. Size eased out. All right, did it without destroying anything. And I left my other LED on the hood. So let me go grab that and I'll be right back. Okay, get the old bulb out. Let's use a spring over and drop it into the floor. Brand new LED. Bag and get you. Okay, it doesn't feel as secure. I'm gonna go other side first. Get around my phone here. Nope, definitely not right. Doesn't feel like it's locking in. And then when you do feel like locking in, it's crooked. That's right. There it went. Okay. Just had to push a little bit harder. And then our test fire works. And snap you back in. All the way. Side is not going. I think. Ooh. Sorry. Still not. Oh, that was like the. Okay, good. Okay, got to ease it back some. I think I said it moved. There it goes, nice and flush. Still working. All right, let's turn off the overhead lights and see how we went by. That was totally out of frame because I hit you too many times. And now ready for the grand reveal. Like I said, huge improvement even with that ambient light outside. A whole lot more visibility everywhere. Definitely a nice simple upgrade with, hopefully you can follow my mistakes or see my mistakes and not have much less drama with it. But I'm gonna call that a video. Well, I've still got a few projects left to go on this one, on the old FJ. I've got some bigger ones that need I gotta get some supplies and motivation, but pretty soon we're gonna be crawling underneath and doing some stuff. So stay tuned for that.